I'm really excited about this multimedia and computer language teaching class. It's something I've been doing. I've been trying to teach using computers and also some multimedia, and so it's great to have the chance to talk about that in this class, what I'm doing. I'm really looking forward to it. Language teaching using computers and multimedia. What is the class about? It's about learning, of course, learning using computers, and I want to do that. I want you to experience using multimedia to learn English, and experience using computers to learn English. Like a consumer, be a consumer of multimedia language teaching, consumer of computer assisted language learning. But not just be a consumer, because class is about language teaching. I want you to be critic also of your experience as a consumer. I want you to tell us what you think. Is this a good program? Is this a good way to learn English? This software, is it useful, or which is better, this program or that program? So that's not just being consumers, but also being critics of the software. Lastly, I want you to be not to write software, but to write material for computer assisted language learning or multimedia assisted language learning. That's the third role, the third thing I want you to do. Be producers of material, not to write software. If you want to write software, that's great, but some software you can use your own material, like learning, like some kind of learning software. You use your own files, not just files that you've got from somewhere else. So that's the third role I want you to take, being a producer. First one is being a consumer. Second one is being a critic. Consumers experience. Critics think and talk. And producers make. I want you to take all these three roles. What will we be doing in the class? Concretely, what software will we be? What multimedia will we be looking at? I don't want to look at PowerPoint. I don't like PowerPoint. I hate it. Microsoft. I don't like Microsoft. Well, they've got to make money. Bill Gates needs to support his wife. He needs a job. Everyone needs to make money. Software people need to make money too, but what's the great thing is software, it's free, it's open source. We can make a contribution. We may not know much about writing programs, but we can, for free, we can give our contribution to other people, and they can use it if they want. Make something bigger. Put something up on YouTube. Some material that you made put up on YouTube so other people can use it to learn English from. Okay. Open source, free. That's one thing we'll be doing in the class. YouTube. I want you to make YouTube videos. I want you to look at, I want you to criticize YouTube videos. That's in the third session. We have 4 sessions. 4. First session is dictation. D-I-C-T-A-T-I-O-N. Dictation software. I've written some dictation software. I'd like you to use my software, experience it, experience some other dictation software, then be critical, criticize it. Finally, I want you to write some, or to get some video or some sound file that we can use to make a dictation out of. That's the first session, weeks 1 to 4. Second session, weeks 5 to 8, will be about flashcards. Flashcards to, on the front they have a word, on the back they have a meaning. You look at the word, can you understand the meaning? That's a flashcard, and rather than use paper, now we have it on computers, and flashcard software is something I also want to do in the second session. I want you to experience using flashcard software. I want you to be critical of different software. I want you to make your own cards, your computer file, so that you can learn from your own, you can give it to other people. They can learn from your flashcards. Third session, as I said, was YouTube videos. I want you to make a YouTube video, upload it. I also want you to experience, think about videos and be critical. Experience as a consumer, think and talk about it as a critic, and make them as a producer. Lastly, I want to look at parsing software. Grammar, we have a sentence, how do we parse it? What's the subject, what's the verb, what's the predicate? There's software to do this, and I'm going to look at that. I want you to use it for your consumer. I want you to be critical of it. I want you to make your own rules to parse sentences with. Okay, so I'm really interested in this because I've been doing it, but even if I hadn't been doing it, I think it's an important subject because it gives us a way to talk about our own learning. It's difficult to talk about what we're doing directly when we're learning. It's important to do it, but it's difficult to do it. But if we talk about computers, about the software that we're using, we can talk indirectly about our own learning. So that's why I think it's important, this class, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. Okay, this is a homework. I want you to listen to this video file, and I want you to transcribe it, dictation, write down what you hear.